How to turn off preview access in CapCut PC. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how can you turn off preview access in CapCut PC. So let's get started. First, as you have to open CapCut PC on your PC or laptop. After you open CapCut PC, from there you'll have to just add your video on your timeline or project. After that, whenever you are accessing or getting the option for access preview, simply to turn off it, at the bottom on this section, you got the option for access preview. To turn off it, simply you'll have to click on it. Now after you click on that, you'll be able to turn off that preview access in CapCut PC. If you want to just enable, click on that. From here you can as usual click on this drop down, and from here you can choose option for preview video and audio or preview video only. After that, you'll be able to just turn on and turn off the preview access in CapCut PC. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.